were showing me how you do your yoga. Do you want to show me? Oh no, you got hold of Mummy's fingers. Ready? Let go. Okay, hold on. That's it. And what's the aim? To get your foot in your mouth. Well, that's what it seems to be anyway. I am thoroughly impressed. There's no way I'd be able to do that. There'd be a lot of more grunting going on than what Mr. William's making. Look how dumpy you are, eh? He's always so soft and slow after a nap. It's so cute. He's so small and cute. Oh, are you kicking me, saying no more, Mum? Or are you having fun? You're starting to wake up. You want to play. Baby, I know you think you're helping, but this is actually kind of, opposite of helping. Oh, jeez. Is this fun? It makes a funny sound, huh? Yeah? Damn it. Joe never lets me sell this thing. And he said, oh, it'll be good for the baby. Do you like it? Yeah? Oh, man. We might have to keep it. Don't tell Daddy. Make a funny sound. Are they your feetsies? So Mr. William is almost 5 months old. Closer to 5 months than 4.5 months. Aren't you, Munchkin? Yeah, he's such a smiley baby. So I'm going through all that stuff, trying to sell what I can. Yeah. Try to make more space and just get rid of the stuff that we never use and things that we don't need. And there are a few things that I'm selling baby-wise. One, his bassinet. Really cute, totally loved it, but he's out of it. And don't know when baby number 2 is going to be. And this is taking up space. When you live in a small space, you have to kind of... you want to be a part of it? You ready? Look, can you see? Who's that? Ready? When you live in a small space, you've got to be really creative and, you've got to make decisions with what you want to keep and what you want to, get rid of. And it's a gorgeous bassinet. Got it secondhand, great deal. But what's to say we can't find another gorgeous one secondhand or something even better for the next baby? But it was so good for you. But now we're going to pass it on to another family. So hopefully someone will pick that one up soon. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Looking after this little munchkin and trying to get rid of some good stuff. And Daddy will be really impressed. He's been wanting me to do this for ages. But I just never find the time. So we're selling stuff. We've got a cute baby. Had a really good sleep, didn't you? Yeah. And I can see there are lots of messages coming through for an IKEA rug that I have for sale. So we'll see you soon. Yeah. Chucked him in the bassinet because he was getting bored with the beanbag. He's playing. He's just playing. Some lovely dogs in our neighbourhood. So this is the current state of the room pre being amazing and everyone. Wow, look at all this stuff. Actually, it's really just this. We gotta sell some stuff, bud. They got to come get it. They gotta come get it. You're hungry though, aren't you? You probably want some morning tea. Maybe some lunch. Okay, ready? How to make a grumpy baby happy. Did that work? Ready? And if that doesn't work, you gotta give him food. Do you want something to eat? Yep. Morning lunch? so angry. Very serious about eating lunch. Woo! Mummy made $15. Let's see if we can make any more today. Hey? What you can do while baby naps. 1, relax the hell out if that's what you need, do it. 2, if you got a little bit of extra energy today like I do because someone slept really well last night, I highly recommend going through your things and selling stuff on Facebook that you don't need. Because I just made some money. Yay! Good job. Good job. It's all because of you, buddy. If you get good sleep, that mummy has more energy and then she can do more things. Today is a win. A win. What are you watching? Are you watching A Bug's Life? What were you doing for? Oh, is it time to take your bib off? Oh, and eat it. Lovely. Is that what we do now? Do you think maybe you might have some drool later? No? Is this fun? Yeah? Oh, and it escalated. Are you happy with your decisions? Hello. A test for the baby. Hey baby. Hi Munchkin. Do you love mummy? Do you love mummy? Munchkin. Do you love mummy? What about Sophie? Do you love Sophie? You love Sophie? Don't worry. I already see how it is. I know what's going on. You love Sophie more than mummy. I'll forgive you. I'll forgive you. Only because you're so cute. Oh, you almost did it. Oh. Oh. Welcome to motherhood. They do something once and you spend the entire rest of the day trying to get them to do it again whilst capturing it on camera. You're not going to do it again, are you? No. Oh, that's lovely. Can you roll over now? Mwah. Hello. I feel like this is that moment in The Incredibles where he goes, "What are you waiting for?" And then the kid goes,
I don't know, something amazing, I guess.
"I don't know, something amazing, I guess." I'm waiting on you. I'm the kid. You're Mr. Incredible. Is that your subtle way of saying not gonna happen? Hi. Oh, I forgot to say, someone came and picked up another item, and so far today, sitting at home, I have made $65 off Facebook Marketplace. Is that pretty good? That's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, so we've had our bottle. We're gonna try having some food? Watch as he mainly eats his bib, as he's doing right now, and I will try and get some of the food in his mouth. Does that sound like a good game? Okay, Munchkin. That's all we have to work on. What do we think? It's not bad. It's not that bad. Dude. You gonna try some more? Ah, yummy. It's going down. Now the thing is, he's making these faces, but he's opening his mouth for more, aren't you? And I'm just realising how much of a slow process this is. I can see that it's been a minute and a half and we've done 1 spoon. And actually there's still a bit on there, isn't there? You have the last little bit. Did any of that go in? Don't know. Oh good, it's on your bib. Okay, let's repeat the process for a good half hour. Alright, this is the end result. Yeah. I don't know how much he ate. God only knows how much he actually ate, but we're getting there, aren't we? Hey? We're getting there. You like to just have it straight up. Shake it upstairs. No, no, no. Is he a rainbow? It's a rainbow. Wow. It's so pretty. That's a wrap on Mummy and Grubby Baby for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. He has no choice, but thank you for hanging out with us. And yeah, that's how you make money, by staying at home. He's going through your stuff and going, I really don't need it, and selling it on Facebook Marketplace. And then the rest of the day is just good when you have a cute baby like this one, as grubby as he is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And I can guarantee there's food in his hair somewhere, or in his ears, just in general. It's very normal. Hey. Yeah. So, yeah. Thanks from us. See you again soon. And you're going to have a bath. You're going to have a bath. He actually really likes baths, so that'll be good. Hey. Yeah. See you soon.
Pass it. Pass it. Pass it.
Wow, is Daddy home?
I don't think it's the controller. This isn't over.